So hi guys, to Beacon Hill via Lion Rock. So I'll start the video from the Lion Rock, and if you want to know how to get there via Lion Rock from the MTR station, just watch my Lion Rock vlog. Okay guys, see you! So diya to guys, diya silang Catherine o si Alden ng lingkod nga. See? Correct. So from Lion Rock guys, diri mi moagi mo baba sa Colon Pass. 1 hour, 1/2 hour and 0.5 kilometer. So diri mi basin makahapit mi sa kuan. So dito. Paubos. Guys, nagplano mi nga mo tumig Beacon Hill. So, let's go to 1.4 kilometer. So here. Naara ba ni siya ko ano, chicken? So we go to Beacon Hill. 1.3 kilometers. So short just go. So kaya mukat ni guys. Kaya kayo guys. Let's go. Here.
Bakit nakalagay na ko ngon?
Ay ko. What? Dire siguro. Na magoy X dito. So dire. So Macleos Trail Section 5 din siya. Philbox PB222. Ayan. Dito. So Beacon Hill is here. Ito, Beacon. So Beacon Hill view. Dito makita ang Lion Rock mo, itong Lion Rock guys. So Beacon Hill. Ayan.
山就係最隔離，你提走嘛依家，呢個係嗰度啊嘛，咁馬欄山咪。
We're here guys, Beacon Hill. So pa-exit na mi guys, we're done in Beacon Hill. Dito sa viewing point, maura dito siya naka-check in nami sa amo ang Wild Pass. So now, pa-exit na ta. So dire. Dire. Yes, maura dito na kay Macleos Trail pa yata. Section 5. Oh. Dire ka di maw. So na. Macleos Trail, sorry. See, dito. Pa-exit na mi guys. Mangita na mi og bus. Stop. Guys, dire may mulusot. Eagles Nest Nature Trail. Oh, then Lion Rock Country Park. Then Lion Rock Country Park. So guys, humanajud mi sa Beacon Hill. That's all for today's video for Beacon Hill. Thank you for my hike buddy. It's Grasha. So see you next time guys. So bye. See you next time.